You're on your last person. The last person to buy a gift for this holiday season. And it's one of those dreaded car guys. What do you get that guy? Well, let me tell you. Keep watching. If you got $100, then this is the video for you. If you don't got $100 and you've only got a good 20, check out the previous video. If you got $50, check out the previous video. We got 2 other videos linked right there. So go ahead and check us out. Let's get right into it. Number 1, the Naco Boost Plus. This right here is one of the beefiest backup batteries I've ever seen in my life. It's actually pretty cool, guys. I'm sure there are bigger batteries out there. But the cool thing about this one is it's extremely portable and it's very, very usable. This is actually going to be a jump starter for your car. This is pretty cool because it's light enough and it's small enough to carry in your car. And let's say one of these days you forgot to take it to turn your headlights off. So go ahead and bust out this bad boy, hook it up to your battery, and jumpstart your car. If you don't know how to jumpstart your own car, stick around. We're going to make a video about that. So subscribe. And while you're at it, while you're down there, hit that like button. It's going to help me out. Help me out a lot. Let me paint a quick situation here for you. You get in your car. There's a check engine light on. You don't know what it is. Neither do I. I'll be honest. I'm not Chris Fix. I don't know this stuff. But there's a quick way to make sure that I get better at this stuff. It's pretty simple. It's called Fixed. F-I-X-D. It's actually an OBD2 scanner that connects to your phone via Bluetooth, connects to your car via the OBD2 port. Yeah, it's pretty much it. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It's a Bluetooth scan tool. It's going to scan your car, tell you what exactly that code is that is currently reading on your check engine light. It's going to make sure that if you take your car into a mechanic, you're not going to get gypped. You're not going to get cheated out of your hard-earned money. Because I wouldn't cheat you out of hard-earned money. That's why I'm giving you this gift guide. So that you shop smart. So that you big brain time. So check that out. It's really good. I have one myself. That was a lie. I actually have another one. It's called the Automatic. But it's not as good. I'm actually going to be doing a review really soon. Stick around for that. I'm actually going to pick up one of these so we can check those out too. Let me tell you about number 3. Do you know how hard it is when you're repairing your car? You've been doing that for about 10 to 20 minutes now, and it's starting to get dark out, and you drop your 10 mil socket, but it never hits the ground. So now you spend the next 2 hours searching for that 10 mil socket that just can't be found. Well, I got a solution for you. Stop using them sockets. I'm kidding, don't stop using them sockets. Use these sockets instead. This is the Crescent 170-piece general purpose tool set. But don't let that name discourage you. Just because it's general purpose doesn't mean you can't use it for car stuff. In fact, it's actually the tool set I use for my car stuff. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool starter set. It's relatively inexpensive, and you can give it to any car guy, and I can guarantee you it will have a tool that he does not already have. There are some other tool sets, but this was the best one that I found for under $100. In fact, right now it is only $70.49. That's also how much I exactly have in my bank account. So check it out down below. As with all these products, guys, down below is my affiliate link to Amazon. If you guys want to support this channel but don't want to buy into my Patreon because you can't find it, because I don't have one, use the affiliate links down below. It actually does help me out a lot. So check that out, please. Thank you very much. Number 4. I'm not sure if I've told you guys this. If you watch any of the other videos that I've put out today, yesterday, I don't know, sometime, you'll know that I actually have a car care company that I'm very much affiliated with. I'm not gonna beat around the bush. I kind of own that company. It's pretty cool. You guys check them out. Auto Care Motorsports helps me out a lot. You guys should support me by going to that website, checking out our products. Even if you don't buy anything, just check us out. Hit the contact us form. Send me an email. It's pretty cool. I love reading that stuff. But the best way to use an automotive shampoo is with a foam cannon and a pressure washer. Now, I hear you. A lot of you guys hear pressure washer, and you think one of those big, gigantic gasoline-powered machines that are extremely hard to deal with. You don't want to have to mix the different types of gasolines to get the right kind of fuel to put it in there, and don't mess with all of that. Instead, here's an electric one. It's inexpensive. It's less than $100, and it would make the perfect gift for that car guy in your life, because not everyone has a pressure washer. Not everyone has access to a gigantic, noisy, gas-powered pressure washer. But this one's electric. This one's inexpensive. This one is lightweight, and it is very well reviewed on Amazon. I trust Amazon because I shop on Amazon. Check out my affiliate link down below for this product. And while you're at it, check us out down below. Auto Care Motorsports. AutoCarems.com. It's down below, in case I didn't spell it right. I don't know. Check us out. Thank you. And while you're down there, since you guys are just hanging out down there now, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. It makes me feel better about myself. It justifies the fact that I dropped out of college. Check me out. You know how we do in these videos? It's number 5. It's gotta be a safety kit, right? Under $100, if I could speak. It's under $100. It is a safety kit. It is actually up on the screen, Lifeline AAA Excursion Road Safety Kit. It's from the company AAA. You guys have heard of them. The Auto Club of AAA. Wow, I don't know what AAA stands for. Auto Associated. Check them out down in the description down below. I like to use this 5th and last spot in my previous videos for safety kits, stuff that's going to keep you nice and safe while you're on the road. This is going to be a great gift for any one of your loved ones. You're going to want to make sure that if anything happens, they're ever in some kind of minor collision or anything like that, they're going to have the tools necessary to make sure that they stay safe and sound. You're going to have a better peace of mind knowing that they're going to be okay in the event of any kind of accident. So check out that product down below. It's going to help. It's going to really help. So check it out. So thank you for watching this video. If you guys don't have $100, because I'll be honest, I don't, you might want to check out my other videos listed right there or in the description down below. I'll post them on there. You should be seeing the end card anytime now, somewhere over here. That's actually going to be the other 2 gift guides. It's going to be under $20, under $50, and maybe if you're lucky, more than $100 for those ballers out there in the audience, all one of you. So check that out, guys. As with all the products in this video, the description is full of affiliate links. It's going to help out my channel. It's going to make it so that I can put out more content just like this, probably even better. So I'm trying in every video to give you a slightly better production quality. That can all be done, and that's only possible because you guys watch the videos, because you guys subscribe, and if you guys do actually intend on buying anything, it doesn't even have to be the products that are listed. As long as you click on that link, it helps me out. So thank you very much, guys. I hope to see you on the next video, and I'll see you there. Peace.